In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Google Chrome. If web pages are hard to read or you just prefer larger or smaller text, adjusting Chrome's font size is a quick way to make browsing more comfortable without changing your computer's display settings. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the menu icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. If your Settings page opens in a new tab, that's normal. Just keep that tab in focus for the next steps. Once you're in Settings, find the section called Appearance. On most screens, it's listed in the left sidebar. Click Appearance to reveal options that affect the look of web pages and the browser interface. This is where Chrome keeps visual preferences like themes, the home button, and most importantly for us, font size. Next, locate the font size option within Appearance and click it. You'll see a simple drop-down menu. This control changes the size of the text you see on websites while keeping the layout intact. It won't alter text that's part of images or logos, and some sites with very strict design rules may not scale every element equally, but it will make most paragraph and heading text larger or smaller across the web. Now choose the font size that feels right for you. The default is medium, which suits many people, but you can switch to small or very small if you want more content on the screen, or large or very large if you want easier readability. As you make a selection, Chrome applies the change immediately. So if you already have a page open in another tab, you can click over to it and see the difference right away. Pick the smallest size that still feels comfortable to minimize scrolling, or go bigger if you prioritize clarity over compactness. A quick note on expectations. Font size affects text within web pages. It's different from Zoom, which scales an entire page including images and spacing. If you ever feel that text change but layouts still feel tight, remember that font size is about readability rather than overall page scaling. That's all there is to it. By opening the menu, heading to Settings, selecting Appearance, and choosing a new font size, you've tailored Chrome to your eyes and your workflow. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience.